Welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can change email in Facebook. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. Then after, go to your profile. After you have opened your Facebook profile, tap on edit profile. Then tap on edit on the right side of details. Then scroll below and tap on edit your about info. Now in order to change your email, tap on edit on the right side of contact info. It will take you to a screen like this. Then go to manage contact info. Now if you want to change the email address, go to add new contact and add new email address. After you enter your email address, select your Facebook account from these options below. Then go to next. Now after you have successfully connected your new email address with the Facebook account, select your old email address that you used to create Facebook. Then after, tap on delete email address. You have now successfully changed your email in Facebook to a new email address. So this is how you can change your email address in Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.